This is why you shouldn't tell anybody about your YouTube channel yet. Yes, I know you are a new YouTuber and you want people to subscribe to your channel, you want views. But you see, that may be the reason why your channel will not grow. And I'm going to explain why to you. Okay, just give me some time. If you are seeing me for the first time, let me know in the comment section that this is the first time I'm seeing your video. All right, let's go to the business of the day. You see, YouTube is powered by AI. And I've been saying this repeatedly because that is what it is. YouTube is powered by AI, and YouTube is optimized for video sharing. You know what that means? If you do the right thing in your videos, YouTube is designed to push your video to the relevant audience. For instance, if you are into carpentry and you teach people how to make tables, make chairs, YouTube knows people that are willing to learn or that are searching for that kind of information, because YouTube would have read through your videos and know the people that that video is right for. So YouTube will push it to them. And because they need that kind of video, they will keep getting such kind of video from you. You understand? So don't be quick to start sharing your videos on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on TikTok. Don't be quick to do that. You want to leave some time. You want to leave at least 6 to 7 days. Allow YouTube do its job. So if you now discover that the video is not really performing the way it should, then you can now go ahead and share to your social media. Let me also, to your social media handle, let me also explain why this may be hurting your channel. If you post on your WhatsApp status, for instance, they are not really interested in it. They may just click it because, oh, they want to support you. But supporting you may mean hurting you. And this is why, if they click on that link, if the video is for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, for instance, and they just happen to just click it and they just watch a few seconds of that video may not see the light of the day. Because YouTube algorithm will sense that this video is not even as, as valuable as I think it is. If it was valuable, somebody will have at least watched 80% of that video. So why is this one watching 15 seconds? You see, so that may be hurting your channel. So you don't want to do that to your channel at all. You want people that will watch from beginning to the end, or watch at least 80% of your video. And the best place to do that is YouTube algorithm. So allow YouTube to do its work and see what the result will be for at least 7 days before you start dishing it out to your social media handle. If you have ever done this before, like sharing or posting a video on YouTube and immediately you are sharing it on your WhatsApp, let me know in the comment section. I've done it before, so you are not alone. All right. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to the channel, I think this is the best time to do it. And see you in my next video up here. Thank you and bye-bye.